Hi, thank you for tuning in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Now, first I want to take out this time to say Happy New Year, Happy Holiday. I appreciate you guys for watching me throughout the year. Here, as you can see, I am getting ready to refresh my living room tour for the winter. And I have already cleaned, and now I'm just going to decorate, and I'm just asking you guys to just stand there with me as I decorate my living room and giving it a refresh, okay? So I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to play you to music, and then I'm going to come back further on in the video and just show you what I have done. See you in a few. here's the reveal. I'm all done, got it all decorated. I just went in and moved all of my Christmas decoration out of the way and going in for the winter. Here are my two vases that I added on this end. These are my glam. Now you are going to see a little bit of glam and maybe a little mixture of everything for right now. And here are my crystal candlesticks. I picked these up from Ashley Furniture, and the price is displayed as $24.99, $22.99, and $19.99 for the different sizes. I picked those up a few years ago, and this tray here, I picked that up from Home Goods. Yes, for $16.99. And here's my coffee table that I picked up from Amazon. And these little nice vases with the swirls in them. These are some glam vases. And I picked those up from Ross. They was like $12.99 each. And I thought that was a great buy. Because guys, you know I shop on a budget. And I just want to show you that how you can decorate on a budget without going out spending a lot of money. Especially like me, I don't keep the same thing up for like maybe 2 weeks at a time. I change out, so it would not behoove me to just go out and just spend a lot of money on home decor, and I probably use it twice a year. Okay, you get my grip. And here are the display shelf, the LED display shelf. I got those shelves from Amazon, and I believe they was like maybe $150 each. Okay, and that little vase right here, got that from Home Goods for $4.99. And here are some of my little Dollar Tree items and Dollar General items. That little vase came from, this little vase here, I DIY'd this vase, and these were some decor balls that I had for a couple years. And this plant here came from Five Below. Okay, yes, I picked up two of these, and they was like either $5.99 or $6.99. And my glam ballroom vase, this came from Ross for $8.99. Now I picked up two, but they're like different shape. But I went back to Ross around Christmas, and they did have two of these left, but I didn't want to go and purchase anymore. This wall plaque came from Ross. That was $24.99 that my husband gifted to me. And here's a throw that I use throughout the year, all season. Goes well with anything in a room. And I placed this on my sofa arm. And my pillows, I let those stay the same. This black pillow cover here, I picked that up from Amazon. And the two gold pillows came from Burlington for $14.99 for a set of two. Now on this side here, I tried to keep it in order with my LED display shelf on the right. And on this shelf here, I DIY'd the book and these two little vases here. Okay, and this little plant here came from Dollar General. So we are going to move right along. Here's the other little tree that I got like on the other side of my couch. This little tic-tac, tick-tock came from Dollar General. I got two for $5. Well, they was like $5 each, but they had a sale, buy one, get one free. Okay, here's the other vase. I'm sorry. Here is the other candle holder. And this is my little glam ballroom or mirror glass candle holders. And the little plant, Dollar General for 67 cents on sale. Now here's my mosaic skunks. And I had this on my wall for a while. This was like $50 from At Home, and I picked up 2 of those. And right here on my console table, now this is a table that I DIY'd. I spray painted that, added the glass to it, and bam, there we have it. And right here are the leaves that I picked up, with 2 leaves, and they was from Burlington for $12.99 each. Okay, here's another little candle holder that I DIY'd, and that little black storage box came from Ross for $12.99. And this little plant here came from Big Lots for, I think it was $187 because it was on sale. Okay, we are almost done. I'm going to take you over to the love seat so you can see what I've done here. And I kept my pillows. I took off the red pillow covers and went back to my original pillows and added this white throw here. Okay, so we are coming to the end of this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video as I put it together for you. And if this is something that you like, I do home decor, shop with me, clean with me. I do a little bit of real estate, and if this is something that interests you, and also I do cleaning outside of the house, the exterior, and my flower bed. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, I hope that you will consider becoming a part of the Precious family. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will be notified each time when I upload another video, and leave me a comment, and I really appreciate that. And once again, I would like to say Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.